Nerds. You know I like to joke about them. 2021 was the year nerds had the last laugh. Why? Because while many in the crypto space were busy looking in the other direction, the basement dwellers were one step ahead of the curve. They might be lacking in social skills and vitamin D, but if they had been slowly accumulating gaming tokens throughout the year, chances are they'll be buying their imaginary girlfriends some pretty extravagant Christmas gifts. And look, I'll admit, even though I understood the huge potential for crypto gaming, I couldn't have imagined such insane growth this time last year. But I guess that's because I'm not a nerd. It's kind of a trade-off between not living in mom's basement and some seriously impressive gains. But for anyone who thinks they might have missed out, here's the good news. The whole world is waking up to what will be the next giant leap for crypto. All of the big players are getting involved. So if 2021 was the year crypto gaming took off, then 2022 is set to be the year it goes into orbit. Let's get it. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, home of the BitSquad, the largest and greatest crypto community in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in crypto. If you like money and crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you want to go deeper into crypto, make sure to check out bitlabacademy.com. Today, we're going to be talking about 4 top-tier gaming tokens. First up, we have Enjin. Now, on this channel, we did a video about Enjin about this time last year, when it was actually a top 10 coin. Back then, this was crazy stuff, a gaming token in the top 10. But although Enjin slid down to 65th place in terms of market cap, that's not the point. The point is, I don't think anyone will be surprised to see multiple gaming projects in the top 10 ever again. Instead, it feels like it's only a matter of time. Enjin is one of the OGs of gaming cryptos, and its staying power is testament to the quality of the project and the team behind it. The thing to understand about Enjin is that it's not a protocol. It's not just an ERC20 token. It's a company that's been around since 2009, way back when Satoshi Nakamoto was fine-tuning the basics of blockchain technology. Their first product was the Enjin network. They've been in the crypto gaming space since the very start. But what do they actually do today? Well, at its core, the Enjin platform allows users to create, manage, store, and trade in-game assets in the form of NFTs. Better yet, it also makes it possible to tokenize items by harnessing their cross-chain compatible ERC 1155 standard. In other words, you can easily turn gaming items into NFTs that are tradable, 100% owned by players and transferable between games, all without writing a single line of code, meaning you don't even need to be a nerd to use it. Great news. Tradable in-game assets have become huge vertical economies, all pioneered by gamers. Just think about World of Warcraft. I do it all the time, which actually ended up suffering from serious inflation of its in-game currency, gold. Not surprising when you look at who the devs were. Jokes aside, the potential of in-game NFT items that aren't just tradable in-game, but also between games, is crazy huge. And Enjin's full suite of products is pretty much a one-stop shop for developers, players alike, and could play a key role as blockchain gaming achieves mass adoption. As for the Enjin coin, the store of value underpinning the entire ecosystem and backing the NFTs themselves, well, I guess you could call that a giant cup and handle. But this is a long-term hold. This is a project to DCA into for the long term if you believe in its ultimate potential. Next up, another hopeful titan of crypto gaming, Ultra and its UOS token. UOS has been described as the blockchain rival to Steam. It's not actually true. Why? Because in one of the most obvious strategic mishaps since China kicked out the Bitcoin miners, it was revealed back in October that Steam was actually banning all blockchain games from their platform. Ultra is like Steam 2.0, and it pitches itself as a new era for gamers. It's a complete and super ambitious platform that's running on the Ultra blockchain, a super fast network capable of processing tens of thousands of transactions per second, and it's already making serious waves, ready to disrupt the gaming industry with Web3. How? Because Ultra allows anyone to build, operate, and manage their own game distribution platform, not to mention virtual goods trading service. This Ubisoft-backed distribution platform is also blowing open the marketplace of digital goods thanks to a cross-platform SDK. That could mean selling anything from subscriptions to digital items or user-generated content. By leveraging Ultra's SDK, developers can scale at super speed and fast-track their game to completion, as well as generating multiple income streams. The native token UOS is the platform's currency, and it's for all purchases on the network. That could mean users buying games, virtual items, or developers selling ad space on the platform. It's full circle. Plus, they've introduced all sorts of incentives within the platform to allow gamers to increase their bags. Ultra went to mainnet this summer and began an absolute tear late October, rallying from 62 cents all the way to 249. But along with the rest of the market, December's seen it cooling off, and it looks to be consolidating between $1.29 and $1.65. Again, and this goes for all the tokens in this video, we're not talking quick flips or swing trades here. Good gaming projects have the potential to easily become top 20, 15, and yes, top 10 coins at some point. Some speculating gaming tokens could easily decouple from the markets given their use case. If you were holding Ultra earlier this year, well played. And if you were thinking about adding some exposure, then these are the dips you look for. Just ask my good friend Crypto Stash, who also picked UOS as one of his top plays for 2022. Trust me, his fundamental analysis is as sharp as the tip of his stash. Good Games Guild, a low-cap gem with heavyweight potential, backed by none other than Animoca Brands. Yes, there's a new sheriff in town. GGG is a gaming hub with big ambitions, becoming the largest virtual economy by sponsoring millions of play-to-earn gamers, investing in play-to-earn games along with their in-game assets, and building tools that will enhance the future of gaming and metaverse. It's effectively a DAO, as well as a fund that's all about maximizing earning potential for as many people as possible. They have the Apply to Earn feature, where you can apply to play as a sponsored player and earn for the guild. Rent to Earn, which basically means renting out your NFT assets to sponsored players for a portion of the reward, and also Stake to Earn. I guess you know what that is by now. Now, it's not live just yet, but staking the GGG token will allow you to earn rewards, get voting rights, access to exclusive content, as well as DAO participation. How's this for a mission statement? We're not just an organization, we're a movement that believes everyone can make a living from gaming. Clearly, some pretty big names are getting behind this one. Just check out their investors, which includes Animoca Brands, Alluvium, and AU21 Capital, to name but a few. They're also picking up partnerships with an impressive range of blockchain games. What makes this even more exciting is that GGG has a market cap of, wait for it, $6.8 million. Wow. Take a look at that chart. After a huge run during the November gaming mania, GGG has come down from over $16 to test support in the $5 range. This is early days for Good Gaming Guild. Their community-driven approach, innovative revenue streams for members, and the support they're getting from some of the most respected names in the space means this is definitely one to keep your eyes on. Keep your focus centered on crypto and the metaverse by clicking the like and subscribe button, puts you in the BitSquad, and gives you the latest in crypto news and education. Last but not least, the gaming studio with the most exciting name, Vulcan Forged. Vulcan Forged and its token PYR, or as the true nerds pronounce it, here, have been on fire recently. And when you look at the development going on, it's not difficult to see why. This is an NFT gaming studio top 5 marketplace with more than 10 games, an upcoming MMOG called Vulcanverse, a DEX, and a huge community. With Vulcanverse, they're building one of the biggest metaverses around, the first real medieval fantasy nerd fest on the blockchain. And that's got big deal written all over it. Oh, and it recently got hacked for $100 million with the bandit still at large. This is a bad thing? Well, that depends on your perspective. Vulcan Forge have replaced all lost assets with treasury funds and are exploring a decentralized wallet alternative. Now, don't get me wrong, security breaches aren't a great look, but pay attention to how they've handled the community coordination. It speaks volumes. So far, they've been super communicative and transparent. Besides, remember when Thorchain got hacked 4 times in about as many weeks this year? That presented a pretty amazing buy opportunity. Peer has shown incredible strength in the last month, went on a huge run, but now it's on a simmering discount, even more so as a result of the hack. There's blood on the streets, folks, and the question is, are you brave enough to stoke the flames of Vulcan Forge? With everything that's going on in the markets today, now's a great time to take a step back from day trading, hone in on quality tokens that have the potential to grow when things settle down. It's not the time to be stressing about short-term price action. While nobody knows who's going to be the long-term winners of crypto gaming, these guys sure have a chance going all the way. That's all I got. Be blessed. Way out.